Walking through the show floor, you can't help but be inspired by all of the design expressions on hand. When considering unique interior enhancements for the modern gentleman, one brand in particular comes to mind, Buster & Punch. Their signature industrial aesthetic adds unconventional, elevated styling where details truly matter. We stopped by to learn more about what makes them uniquely Buster & Punch.
Hey, welcome to Buster & Punch. My name is Dave Schlacher, and I'm the president of Buster & Punch North America. And Buster & Punch, if you look at Buster & Punch, we're considered this interiors fashion label. But not fashion, we're a timeless fashion label. And a lot of brands come to market, and it's about products, but we're about this cohesive connection between details. And if you think about interior design, you think about lifestyle, it's all about the details and details that matter. Buster & Punch was created by our founder and creative director, who was an architect by day, and what he realized was that some of these elements were missing in home interiors. And how do you tie that into creating a really great experience for your home and the tactile connection between what you do, what you have, and making the products that you take for granted unforgettable. If you think about it, there's actually kind of three categories that really create this cohesive label. And it's hardware, our switches, dimmers, and controls, and then lighting. And so if you look at the elements of our products and our main designs, they're really originated from this idea of custom motorcycles or this kind of urban type of environment that has a little industrial look to it. But the textures are machine knurling, because we're really considered masters of metalwork. Those elements kind of translate into a home where people want that type of thing. And it has a gentleman's look because it's designed on purpose without overstating the space. WestEdge is a really interesting trade show, and it is all about cutting edge design. It's curated products, and it allows us to represent our brand or our products in a way that actually ties into a community that really appreciate that. From designers to architects and even homeowners or consumers that come through this trade fair. It really does represent the best of products and design. There's a couple of new products. This is probably our 5th time attending WestEdge, by the way. And so some of the new highlights are a takeout light fixture, our segue into portable lights. You know how those outdoor portable lights people have, and they're not super weighted, they don't have great quality. We said, again, back to that idea of creating things that are different and unique. Ours is 100% waterproof, so you can carry it from indoors and outdoors. It's got durability, and it has our signature touches, our knurled metal machining, and our signature lighting source in it. So one of the other fixtures is our forked made-to-order chandeliers. We're really known for some really special light products. In fact, it's right here. We have these as single drops, but we also do these custom configured light fixtures. And so that someone can actually say, you know what, I want a 3 light, a 7 light, or an 11 light drop, and they can actually choose the components of it. We've got a great website, busterandpunch.com, and we also support a network of retail dealers that actually merchandise and display all of our product across Southern California or throughout any state that you happen to be in.